When you open your Tadah PDF pattern, you'll find a table of contents, some information pages, and then all of the instructions and diagrams that walk you through step by step how to construct the pattern. At the end of the PDF file, you'll see the pattern pieces. To print with layers, simply select the layers icon on the left-hand side and then turn off all of the sizes that you do not wish to print. Make sure you leave page markings and pattern markings selected. It's a good idea to print only the pattern pages that you need. You'll find this information on the table of contents page. Then it's very important that you select actual size or 100% for page scaling. Once your pattern pages have printed, it is absolutely essential that you check the test square on each page to make sure your pattern printed at the correct scale. Next, I suggest cutting off the bottom edge and one side of each pattern page. This will make it easier for you to line up your pattern pages. To do so, simply match the circles in each corner of the pattern pages and tape the pieces together. Once you have done this for all of your pattern pages, you're ready to cut out your pattern pieces. And then you can cut your fabric. You can do this using fabric scissors, or if you have them, you can use a rotary cutter and mat. And now you're ready to put it all together. Refer back to your PDF file for all of the instructions that you need. Happy sewing!